Hi, I'm Rio, and this is my best friend, Finn.
Papa is driving down the lane in a big bright truck through the sun and rain. Rio and Finn are in the back, it's true, looking at the sky so big and blue. Driving in the truck, beep, beep. Riding in the truck, beep, beep. What do we see on the farm today? What do the animals want to say? The big red truck comes to a stop, stop, stop. Finn's fluffy tail goes flip, flap, flop. Look over there by the wooden fence now. Rio points his finger at a big spotted cow. And the cow says, moo! Yes, the cow says, moo! Driving in the truck, beep, beep. Riding in the truck, beep, beep. What do we see on the farm today? What do the animals want to say? Papa drives slow to the top of the hill. The big red truck is standing still. Look at the grass, soft and green. 3 fluffy animals can be seen. Rio claps for the woolly sheep, and the sheep say, baa! Yes, the sheep say, baa! One last stop by the messy mud. The big red truck goes thud, thud, thud. Finn looks down with a happy wiggle, giving Rio a great big giggle. Rolling around are the little pink pigs, and the pigs say, oink! Yes, the pigs say, oink! Beep, beep, goes the horn. Goodbye, animals, see you in the morn. Papa drives home down the bumpy track with Rio and Finn waving from the back.